You see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, right.
Big ass villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flump. Catch up and around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone got it down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. And I'm running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with a year. Real what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Pushing on a feeling like a button, can't put time for it. Still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's how peace. Dollar clapping through this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Fuck that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when Mackie lavish. Bad bitch, that's just Spanish. I heard they call them hustle. We get nasty, I'm a daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with big message. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic.
You see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Oh no, right.
The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction, that's facts. Always forgiven, I don't care about opinion, that's facts. Facts. That's facts. Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, it can last me forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Got it, job on it. Did I ever ask ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no
wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made up promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, ta, 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 ta. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work.
You have a YouTube channel?
It's coming.
Do
We're
it.
gonna be famous one day. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram's bossvision_. One of my videos from here actually did really well.
Oh my gosh.
164. You gotta see this. I was like, what the fuck?
Oh my
Post your
gosh.
content. Because people are going to go home and watch content. That's my phenomenon.
Yes. Oh my gosh. You're almost Instagram famous. You
Not
already
really.
made it.
just the views. I didn't get the followers from it.
Still, that would like have me thinking that
It's possible.
that's just gonna come. It's going to.
For sure. And then my YouTube, I got 1,000 subs. So I just need 4,000 hours and you get monetized. That's like the rule.
Oh my
1,000
gosh.
subs, 4,000 hours to get monetized.
4,000 hours?
So you gotta post like a lot. And then like post like tutorials a lot.
Yeah.
You can watch it over and over.
Like the short like video reels or whatever. What's your channel so I can subscribe?
It's Boss Fit Life. Cause I have a Canva channel that's way better. It has like 33,000. But it's Canvas. But fitness videos?
Yeah, people love that shit.
It's so much easier too.
I know.
You can literally go
We're just
live.
doing our shit.
Right.
Yeah.
Just do what you do. And people don't know what they're doing. They need to know.
We have a lot of subscribers. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
You're next. That's how you record yourself.
Yes, that's why we do it.
Right.